How to schedule TikTok screen time breaks. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to set up a screen time for the TikTok application on your phone, then here's how you can do this process. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to set the screen time breaks, simply go and open up the TikTok app from your phone, and from the TikTok homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right, and then simply go and tap on this three dot line at the top right, and then go and tap on the settings. So once you're here inside the settings, simply go here and tap on time and well-being. And once you tap on this, you'll get to the first option is screen time. You can tap on this, and inside the screen time, if you scroll down, you'll get to see the screen time breaks. It's currently turned off. You just should get into this one, and you can select your preferred time, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And also if you want, you can set the custom time. So if you tap on custom time, you can actually set the time till 60 minutes. That means 1 hour, or even you can set this time from here as well. So let's say I'm going to select the 30 minutes. It's pretty good. And once you do that, you'll get to see the screen time breaks is set it up for the 30 minutes. And this is how you can schedule a screen time breaks on TikTok. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.